It's believed that the discovery of the curing of meats probably came from the curing of fish. Fishermen noticed that if they kept the fish in brine, could last quite a bit. These things are cured for up to 3 or 4 years for the high quality ones like this one, the pata negra, the black hoof, as you can see at the tip there, which is a Spanish native breed, of which there are only about 500,000. So it's quite a restricted production. It's the highest quality ham there is. The serving of the jamon, especially the Iberico, is done in petals, very thin, very small, like rose petals, and put on a plate. There are 4 main parts of the jamon. This one here is el jarrete, or the hock, up here. It's actually, incidentally, that's where the nicest, tastiest meat is. That's the maza, the chubbiest part. Contramaza is, or babilla, which is under here. And the punta, or the point, the tip, which is here. We import these meats, the sausages, salchichon and chorizo and the jamon, from different parts of Spain, mainly around the center of Spain. The center of Spain is very high, it's over 1,000 meters, with extreme temperatures, very dry, and very clean air. That's why these things can be cured there naturally. Okay, the first cut will be an angle cut to the bone from approximately this area here. And feel the bone. Then we're going to do a horizontal cut from this point to meet the initial cut. Be quite a bit of fat in the first cuts, but that's perfectly normal. Now this is going to be the cap we're going to use to cover. Now here you'll notice that yellow area and this rind area here. This is like in a cheese, it's a rind. It's a bit rancid, so we don't want that. So what we'll do is a nice little step. There you go. The meat is got high fat infiltration, is a bit like the Wagyu beef. So I was saying before that 30% of fat is what you want in any meat for it to be flavorsome. And it's in this fat that all the flavor is, in this case, the acorn flavor. The first cut will be quite fatty because what you can see. Now that's how you cut it. You have to see the knife, as you cut, you have to see the knife through the meat. Notice that when I'm cutting, you can see the blade through the meat. That's the test. The Spanish flag. A lot of fat infiltration, beautiful white fat, saturated with acorn oil. Keep the cut always flat, avoid getting into a curve. Flat and thin, that's what you want, and remove the rind. Other than that, it's very, very simple. Once you finish cutting, then you get the cap, put it on top, leave it like that, or if you want to leave it overnight, like that.